Construct SDT for the given grammar with the following rules. This is the input. So what will be the output? So how we are going to do this? Start with S. So we will write S. Then what is there? Star T plus star. So we will write like this. Star T plus R and star. It will be like this. So with T, num is there, so it will print num. So we will take num and it will print. The first one is 9 and plus is there. So what next is required? Again num and plus is required, so we will take the same. From here we will take plus T plus R and multiplication. So with that what we will get? We will get num and it will be 5. So 9 plus 5. Again in the similar way we will do the same thing for this. So we will write plus T plus R and multiplication. So in this respect num we will get, and we will get 2. So 9 plus 5 plus 2. Again we will do the same thing, plus T plus R and multiplication, and this is num. So we will get 7 here because next is 7. 9, 5, 2 and 7. Again one more time we need to do it because what is required? It is required. So again we will do the same thing, R, because in R we have plus T plus R multiplication. So plus T plus R and multiplication. So with this num what we will get? We will get 8. We will get 8. So the input is 9 plus 5 plus 2 plus 7 plus 8. So that we will get. Now this R is not required because the input is ended, so no need to wait it further in respect of the grammar. And in respect of R, epsilon is also there, so we will take it as epsilon. We will take it as epsilon. Because we will take it epsilon, so what need to be print? Need to be print as minus. Need to be printed as a minus. So it will print minus. So now we'll see what will be the output of this. What will be the output of this? So multiplication is there first, so we will write multiplication. Then what is there? 9. We'll write 9. And what is there? Plus. So we'll write plus. Then it will say 9 plus 5 plus 2 plus 7 plus 8 minus multiplication. All these things are here, and in between 1 plus is also there, so we'll write 2 times plus will be there, multiplication 9 plus 5, then plus 2, then plus 7, then plus 8, then minus, then multiplication 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be our output. With the help of rules we will construct this SDT with the given input, and with the given grammar whatever printing is there we need to put it in the output also. So this is the SDT for the given grammar by the rules.